Christmas gift. Every night before Christmas, always a rare gift is wished by my heart. I am drowned in thoughts from the very first. The gift will be protected. I will be sheltered with its care. All the stars in the sky. Why am I not revealing here? The gift, it's my loved ones, wrapped up in endless love. All I want to say is it's filled with significance, just like the magical stardust. May everyone's worries all fade away, fill you with happiness, and embrace you all each day. Merry Christmas to all.